summer tyres in the snow. That is full brakes. I can't stop. Oh God. We're doing it. We're going up. If you are caught in this situation, the absolute best thing you can do is stay home. You might notice there's no tyre tracks in front of my car because I haven't left home for like 4 or 5 days now that this has been the situation. Unfortunately, it's come at a bad time and we have no more food, so I have to go. And there's some really dangerous things you have to watch out for, which I'll show you throughout the video. This car looks like an SUV, but it's really not. It's a crossover, so it's front wheel drive, which is better than the rear wheel drive car that's in the garage, which will not be coming out today. We don't really have to deal with this in the UK. Actually, in the UK, we don't even mandate a winter tyre. I think in my 30 years of life, this is probably top 3 amounts of snow I've ever seen. Let's take a seat, have a conversation about what to expect, and then we'll get out on the road. A few bits of theory before we go and do this. Some people will be really concerned with front-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive does not make a difference as much as you think. What makes the biggest difference are your tyres. If you've got winter tyres on any drive car, you will be able to get about in these conditions. So what you're going to expect when you're in these conditions on summer tyres, the amount of grip you're going to have is going to be way lower than you're used to, which is going to affect many elements of driving. It's going to be hard to get going and accelerate. Wheels are going to spin. Importantly, it's going to be really hard to stop. So you've got to think about your braking distances, leave way more space than you think you need. It's going to be really hard to turn. Basically, every input that you're going to have is going to have a delay and a slip and a difficulty. Another thing you've got to look out for is elevation. This is something you don't think about when you're driving normally. Hills also mean you have to brake down them. And one rule that I keep telling myself before I go and do this is every mile an hour you gain is a mile an hour you have to lose. So when you are accelerating, don't accelerate to a high speed and then have to lose that speed. It's going to be really difficult, especially down a hill. All right, enough yap. Let's do this. This is also an automatic car, so I don't even have the luxury to use clutch control to get me places. Already wheel spin, just trying to move off. This is going to be a fun day. It's actually feeling kind of alright right now. It is drivable, it's just not very good. If you live in a city or a really busy area, all the roads are going to be gritted and it's going to be very fine, it's going to be very drivable. It's going to get better in certain sections of this video. So we're going to keep our speed way down. I mean, you can see I'm going 10 miles an hour, just bimbling along. Okay, that's full brakes. Slightly less braking performance than I'm used to. Our first real test, are we going to be able to get up this hill from a stationary kind of start? It's going to be tricky. Oh. If we follow the tyre tracks, maybe we'll do it. It's not too bad. It's not as bad as I would have thought it would be. Let's see if we can reverse down it without yeeting ourselves into the intersection. That's full brakes. That's full brakes. That's full brakes. That is full brakes. I can't stop. I can't stop. That's funny. My car is not stopping. I'm on full brakes right now. Car, please stop. Car, please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Okay. Okay, that was slightly quite sketchy. Cautionary tale, little things to watch out for. Braking down a hill, very difficult. If I had a little bit more momentum there, we'd probably just end up in the intersection, which would have been really horrible. So definitely watch out for your braking. Like even here, I'm slowing down extra when I go around this corner, just because it was a blind corner. You may have to interact with another road user, right? You might have to stop for someone, slow down, give way, whatever. And if you have to do those things, like I just did there, you're going to have to use your brakes. And if you're on summer tyres, trying to drive around in these conditions, your brakes pretty much don't work. Unless you're on the good part of the road. So you really got to plan for that. Make sure you give yourself as much space as possible. And you can give yourself space by having more visibility, or you can give yourself space by just going slower. Right, I'm already thinking about this situation. That is a very icy hill. Momentum is going to be my friend, but then we have to turn. So I don't know about the momentum while we're turning. This could be the sketchiest part yet. I can't build up too much momentum because then I can't turn. Okay. We're making it. I'm being extremely gentle with the accelerator pedal right now. Yeah, we did it. We're okay. I'm really hesitant to tell you guys like, yeah, summer tires are alright. But that was impressive. I really thought we would get stuck on that hill and we didn't. I'm going to do it again and I'm going to drive not gently and see how that goes. Oh God. Yep, nope. I mean, it's quite fun. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's very drivable. I wouldn't want to know what would happen in that situation if a car was coming the other way and I had to stop. I think that would be a problem. You can make progress, you can get places, you can actually do things. Which I didn't think would be the case. I didn't think I'd be here saying it's actually not that bad. I really thought I was just going to go out and get stuck and have to call a recovery truck. I did not think it would be this simple. People are falling down. And this is the thing, there are degrees of snow, right? Just because there's snow doesn't mean your grip is going to be reduced as much as you might think. And equally, just because there's not snow doesn't mean your grip is going to be okay. There might be situations where it hasn't snowed, and in fact the grip will be diabolical because it's icy. So don't think that snow is really the indicator. You just got to look at the conditions. You got to open your eyes and have a look. This snow is quite soft. You know, even where it is existing, I'm breaking through into the ground below. Yep, wheel spin, there we go. It's fine. I've actually got some confidence. I think we're going to go and try a big hill. Take this wide tyre track. I've got to remember, you get most grip when your wheels are straight. So when I'm in this situation and I'm turning, the grip is going to be questionable. We're getting through it, man. This, on camera, this does not look like a steep hill, I bet. But this is a very steep hill. We're doing it. We're going up. I'm shocked. I'm going to go in the snow and see if I can still go up. Bro. We're just going up. Oh, bit of slip. Bit of slip. Car's not happy there. That's okay. I am absolutely shocked that that worked. I did not think I would be getting up that hill today. I have two different front tyres. One of them is a ling long. Ooh, bit of slip. We're okay. Can we go down the hill though? Let's find out. Again, doesn't look it on camera. Exceptionally steep hill. You would struggle to walk down this hill. I'm very lightly dragging the brakes to not let the car accelerate. Because once you get the car accelerate, it's harder to brake. So I'm trying to keep a consistent speed all the way down here. This is like off-road driving 101. But look at that. We're in the snow now. This is a steep hill. Can I stop? Dude, the car stopped. What the fuck? And it took off. Right then. Quest is complete. Food has been acquired. Let's see if I can back this big old bus into my driveway. Oh, it's not particularly happy about that. Oh. Yeah, there she goes. Again. Oh. Get a little bit of a run up. There it is. Ooh. Yeah, we can do it. Oh, I see what the problem was. It was that you see the mound right there of snow. It was really struggling because the tyres were in that mound and it couldn't accelerate up. But then I went forward to the next mound and just yeeted myself up here. From a stop. Can we go up? No, I'm here now. I just want the car straight on the driveway. Yeah, there we go. Come on. No, it really doesn't like that. Oh, God. I'm really enjoying this. Is that really childish? This is a stupid challenge I've set for myself. Come on. A little bit of momentum. A little bit more momentum. Over that hill. There we go. Lovely stuff. I kind of want to go back out now. It's not as scary as you think. If you're not into cars, that might terrify you. But I am into cars, and that was really fun. Can you drive in the snow on summer tyres? Yes. To an extent. You got to be sensible, you got to drive carefully, but it's very doable. And if the main roads are gritted and you only have half a mile or whatever I had until you get onto the main roads, it's absolutely fine. Hopefully that was a useful video for you guys. My name's Mick, I drive cars. Peace.